The bachelor's degree I earned at AUIS in medical laboratory science opened doors for me towards professional opportunities and international recognitions. I'm honored to share that I passed the International American Medical Laboratory Science Board Examination on the first attempt and earned the title of International Medical Laboratory Scientist as the first AUIS MLS graduate. By passing this examination, the examinee demonstrates significant amount of knowledge in medical field and commitment to public health and ensuring public and patient safety. Also, it enables MLS graduates to work internationally. I believe this achievement is not only a personal milestone, but also a reflection of the high standards and quality education provided by AUIS. The comprehensive training in both theory and practical skills I received from the Medical and Health Sciences Department prepared me to meet the international expectations with confidence, and not only to serve locally, but also internationally.